how to massage the deltoid and the rotator cuff muscles. The key muscles in this area include the deltoid, the supraspinatus, the infraspinatus, the teres major, and the teres minor. These muscles are located on the side of the shoulder, slightly to the front, and mostly on the back of the shoulder blade. Use the Verve to target tight muscle knots and trigger points. Use the Sport if you want to cover a wider area. For a more powerful massage, use the Mini Pro. For a deeper massage, apply some light pressure with your fingertips. The long, ergonomic handle of the Sport makes it easy to reach all muscles. For a more powerful massage, use the Mini Pro. Check out our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Stay active.